that's it. That's pretty much it. It's as you can tell, there was quite a few different t-shirt designs and everything like that in there because this build took 6 weeks. I don't have the build with me, unfortunately. The day that I finished it, it was pretty much the deadline I needed to get it to Andrew, the client. But to give you some backstory on Project Bright, Andrew had the same PC case that I had when I had DEF CON, which was the Corsair 900D. Now, we had to downsize that because Andrew has a terrible back and he actually lifted up and needed a cart, an actual little trolley that he made to actually cart the computer case around. And he also dealt with a lot of temperature issues inside his office as well. It would get very, very hot, very, very cold, very, very hot, very, very cold. So we wanted to regulate that with water cooling, but he also at the same time, he wanted a build that was, you know, it was something pretty special. So that's Project Bright. We come up with the idea. We eventually got everything all sorted the way that it needed to be, and that was pretty much just the build log. There was quite a few different designs. We had some parts unfortunately show up dead. It was the EK Classic 1150X 1200 CPU block that was unfortunately dead, and also the motherboard was DOA as well. So you could see that I was installing an MSI motherboard, but we finished off with a Gigabyte motherboard. So we ended up having to swap the motherboards around. I also threw my EK Supremacy block on there as well, CPU block on there as well, because it kind of felt with having that whole black theme in there. But the build was really, really fun. It took an extra 3.5 weeks compared to the 3 weeks that we had originally allotted, but that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that little build log. I've got other builds coming up soon. We're doing a case remod on Waz's build, and also check out the food channel as well. There's plenty of content coming out on that one. And if you really like it, hit that subscribe and share it around as well. Definitely get the word out there. And before I forget, Saber's also getting a bit of a cosmetic upgrade as well, and actually a CPU upgrade as well, which I'll document that on about as well. So, look, guys, I'll see you guys next time.